If you are always uploading on YouTube and you are always getting less than 50 or 100 views, here are some common mistakes that you might be making on your YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to give out 4 reasons why your videos are not being pushed out by the YouTube algorithm. And hopefully, once you are done watching this video, you'll be able to fix that low view issues that you are getting on your YouTube channel so that your channel can grow better and grow faster. And if you're having any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first reason might be that the YouTube algorithm do not understand what your channel and your content are all about. So this mostly happens to a lot of new creators, when they just newly started their YouTube channel and they do not have any subscribers on their YouTube channel. So in such cases, such creators will have to rely on the YouTube algorithm to be getting views on their channel. So if you are a new creator and your channel is actually new, once you upload your video on YouTube job is that their algorithm is going to push out your videos. And then if a lot of people are clicking to watch your videos, it's going to keep pushing out your videos, leading to much more views. But if the YouTube algorithm is to push your video out to viewers and they are not clicking your video to watch, then to the YouTube algorithm is going to feel like your video is not interesting, which means it's going to stop pushing out your video, leading to low views on your YouTube channel. In order for you to see if YouTube have actually started pushing any of your video, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube Studio app. Then once you get there, just click on any video, and then what you have to do is that you have to go and look at the impression of that video. So that's how you know if YouTube is pushing your videos or not. So once you've gotten here, just click on reach and you're going to see your impression. As you can see, this video is having 8,900 impression. So that's the impression that this video is having right now. So impression has to do with the amount of people that have actually seen your video on their YouTube feed. So that's what impressions is all about. So if you are having high impression, like this one now that I'm having 8,900 impression. So if I'm to have 8,900 impression and I'm having something like just 50 views, that's going to tell me that, okay, this my video, the title and the thumbnail, they are not catchy. So what I would do is to change my title and my thumbnail. So the same case when you are checking your own. So if you see that your impression is super high and your views are super low, so all you have to do is check your title and your thumbnail and make adjustment to them, because they might not be catchy. So that's why people are not clicking on them to watch your videos. So that's just how that works. But if you see that your impression is super low, then that means that YouTube have not started pushing your video at all. So I will advise any creator out there watching this video to always focus on their title and their thumbnail, because once YouTube start pushing your video, that's what's going to determine if people are going to click your video to watch, leading to much more views for your YouTube channel. The second reason why you might not be getting views is the age of your account. So if you just newly created your YouTube account and you started uploading on that on that YouTube account, YouTube might actually think that your account is a bot channel. So there's a small chance that they are not going to be pushing your video when you start uploading videos on that new account. So the right way to go is that if you newly uploaded your YouTube account, take some weeks, like 2 weeks, to use that account to be watching videos of other creators and engaging on their videos, so that YouTube can see that, okay, is a real person using the account. And apart from that, also go to your settings under feature eligibility. Make sure that you enable everything there and verify your YouTube account, because doing this is going to help YouTube understand that, okay, this channel is a real channel and not a bot channel. So that once you start uploading your videos, they will start pushing out your videos and giving you views on your YouTube channel. The third reason might be that you are focusing on quantity over quality, because a lot of creators on YouTube, they just upload a bunch of videos on their channel and they don't focus on packaging that video to actually look good. And what I'm talking about is your visuals on your video and your thumbnails and stuff like that. So a lot of creators, they just focus on posting a lot of videos, but they don't focus on the packaging and the video actually looking good. And this can actually affect your channel, because when you are uploading a lot of videos on YouTube and you are forgetting that on YouTube there is a lot of competition, when people are watching your video, they might actually just click out of your video, because when someone is watching your video, there will always be a recommended video below your video. So if your video is not good enough, they can actually just click on another video and then go and watch that video. So that's one thing to also keep in mind. And another thing as well, if someone is to give your video a chance and they find out that the quality of your video is actually bad, the next time that they are going to see you on their YouTube feed, they are not going to want to give your video a try, because they already know by experience that your video do not look good. So the right way to go about this is to focus on quantity and quality at the same time, so that when people are to watch your video, they are going to get value and they are going to enjoy watching your video, which is actually going to send positive signals to the YouTube algorithm, because it's only when someone is to enjoy your video that they will like the video, and it's also when someone enjoy your video that they will drop a comment on your video. So if your video is not good enough, these people, they are not going to be reacting positively to your video, and they won't be giving the algorithm enough signals that it's okay for you to push your video to a wider audience. So that is another thing to also keep in mind when you are uploading videos on YouTube. So do your best to focus on quantity and quality at the same time, and you are going to start seeing better results on your YouTube channel. Now, the fourth reason why a lot of creators do not get views on their YouTube channel is because they are not taking the description section seriously. And the description section is super important because it is one of the metadata that the YouTube algorithm actually looks at to understand what your video is about, so you can push it to the right audience. So you can see that it's super important. So the right thing that you should be doing is that you should fully describe your video, and then once you are done with that, add a lot of keywords that relate to that video below the description section, and you see that that is going to help the YouTube algorithm to better understand your video, leading to much more views for that your video that you are uploading. Another trick that you can actually use if you don't know the right description to use for your video is to just ask ChatGPT to give you a good description for your video title, and also ask it to give you a lot of keywords on that description, and it's going to provide you with such description. And then all you have to do is just copy it, paste it in your description section, and use it on your video, and you see that you are going to get a way better result on your YouTube channel. If you like to learn more advanced uploading tricks that can help you get better views on your YouTube channel, then I will advise that you watch this video next. On that video, I gave out a lot of secrets and a lot of tricks that can help you get a lot of views and get recommended on the YouTube platform. I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.